So how to save this file now? Either we can save it as a project file or as an image file. So first learn how to save this as a project file. To do that, I have to go to file option here, click on this. Then there is an option called save. Click on the save button. Now here there is one file manager which you can see. It gives me an option to where to save my file. So for example, I want to save it on my desktop. I have to click on desktop here. Then here is the name which I want to give to my file. Currently it is entitled.blend. So we'll clear the untitled part and we'll put this as shapes. Dot blend shouldn't be deleted because dot blend is the type of file. Dot blend is an extension which Blender uses to identify its file. If we delete dot blend option, next time when we want to open this file, Blender won't be able to recognize which file is it. So that dot blend is the extension which plays very important role here when we are saving our files. Now let's click on save Blender file option here. Now my file is saved. Now how to do it? Minimize our Blender software. See on the desktop, shapes.blend is available. Now what if I want to save this file? Let's go into the Blender again as an image which I can see directly without opening the Blender software. To do that, I have to use the camera option, which is here, as you can see. Now let's click on the camera. What happens is my camera is highlighted. So how should I know from what my camera is looking at? To do that, I have to click on the option called camera view. Click on this. See. Now you can see what my camera is looking at. So let's now try to save it. To save the camera view or the file in the image format, go into the render option, which is over here. Click on it and click on render image. See, now the same image is available what we were seeing in the camera. Now let's save it. Image, save as. Click on desktop. Under untitled, now as you can see, there is nothing called as .blend available here. It is .png. Okay, because it is a image file. Now let's delete the untitled part and we'll put the name as shape. And we'll click on save as. Now let's close this, minimize our Blender software. Now you can see that image in our image viewer.